Greetings and salutations. Titanium Tim 18 here in beautiful Florida somewhere. Okay, this is the last installment. This is the fourth video. This tire tech that put tires on my car, and then he stole from my car, went through the center console. Then he went joyriding in my car, which I know they're supposed to road test it, but not for 45 minutes. Then he's seen on the camera driving without the seatbelt on, doing paperwork, ripping through town. And in the last video, this video I'm about to show you, he's doing drugs in my car while driving. Oh, and on camera. This is the dash camera, okay? It's not exactly inconspicuous, shall we say. It hangs below the rearview mirror, mounted to the windshield. These red lights come on, letting you know it's recording. It's not exactly hidden, okay? So anyway, I caught him doing all this stuff, so I had to go to the police because he stole from me and he was doing drugs in my car, and I had to go to the police station and they took a report and everything. Then I went back to the tire store, and for a brief second on the way there I thought, you know, I should confront this guy. And then I thought, well, no, that wouldn't go well for either one of us. Whatever the outcome was, it wouldn't have been good. So I went to the manager and I approached him, and he was less than receptive. So I said, well, we can either go outside and talk about your tire technician doing drugs in my car and stealing from me, or we can talk about it here in the lobby. Which would you rather do? Needless to say, we went outside. He said, I appreciate the accusations, nothing we can do. I said, that's okay. I have proof. And I made him a copy, put it on jump drive, and I gave it to him on a jump drive, and I gave it to him, and he said he would give it to the district manager. I spoke with the district manager, and he said he would take care of it. Well, I didn't hear any more. I guess they didn't feel it was worthy of me to know the outcome of this situation. Be that as it may, doesn't matter. And I didn't go in there and demand that, hey, you know what? Because your tire tech stole from me and did drugs in my car, I want those tires for free now. I didn't do that. I'm not altruistic or anything like that. It just wouldn't have been fair and prudent, okay? I didn't try to get something for nothing. But I did want them to know so that their other customers could be protected, because I'm sure there have been other complaints about things being stolen and they couldn't prove it. I could prove this. So anyway, I digress. So let's roll that wild bean footage. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, subscribe, because you never know what's coming next. I'm a legend in my own mind. Just ask me. All right, peace out, you guys. Have a great day. Be good to yourself, good to each other. Enjoy the video, and let me know what you think.